What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We are still here at Corvettes at Carlisle, but we got something pretty special to show you. We got a totally carbon fibered out C8 Corvette Z06. Yes, forged carbon fiber all the way through. Let's talk about this. So guys, you can see it behind me. This thing is freaking wild. So obviously you see the Segala banner at the top. This is a Segala car. We're gonna talk all about this thing because it is totally forged carbon fiber. It is not an image, it's not a wrap, it's not a layer on top of what is already there. This is a replacement for the parts. They are totally forged through and through. So again, guys, coming in close, we have an entirely forged carbon fiber front bumper, dive planes, front splitter, the fangs here in the front, and even the grill. Yeah, even the grill pieces are forged carbon fiber. And I mean, look at that. Huh. Freaking nuts. Now, the thing about this is, guys, it's not just the bumper, it's not just the hood, it's not just the fenders, it's the doors, it's the mirrors, it's the boomerang, it's the rear fenders, it's the hatch, it's the hatch vents, of course, it's the spoiler, and coming around the back here, obviously the back bumper and everything, but they also have the new Euro taillights in here, which are, of course, what the taillights kind of should have looked like on the Z06. They got rid of the red and made them a gray, just like they did on the C7 Corvette. So if we come over here real quick to a C7, you can see these taillights are kind of clear, whereas the Stingray was red. But with this one, now you have the option. And again, guys, all carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber through and through. Now, where things really get interesting, and I mean interesting, is when we open up the door, because guess what? Yep, the entire door sill, forged carbon fiber. Now again, this is not a cover. This is not a skin. This is total replacement. The old one was removed. This one was put in. So again, same thing with the door. So whenever they were telling me about the door, the entire door skin was taken off, and this one was replacing what was there from factory. So everything on this car is carbon fiber through and through. Up here on the A-pillars, the roof is actually removed over at their booth over there, but yeah, you can see the halo and everything. It is all carbon fiber, even this little piece here. Like I said, the mirrors, the little triangle piece behind the mirrors, if we pop the frunk, that's done. All of it. The side skirts. Yeah, guys, this thing is nuts. Now, if we pop the hatch here, which we will. Now, they told me they did not put the struts on here yet. But if we hold it up, you can see underneath, all forged. Fenders, lips forged, all forged. Now, the struts aren't on here yet, and this is kind of heavy, so we're gonna close it. And yeah, so the only thing that they told me that they couldn't forge were these, because if they did, and they had them, you couldn't see them. So yeah, guys, this thing is looking absolutely freaking nuts, but I don't know. I don't know what to think. I mean, obviously, it's wild. If you're a wild kind of person, this might just be for you. So if you want to check it out, guys, this kit is for sale. Segala will make this for you for the low price of $120,000. Now, that $120 buys you everything you're seeing here minus the car. So all of the panels, to replace the panels on your brand new C8 Z06, 120 grand. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Now this is obviously their custom hood as well, so very Aventador reminiscent, or Huracan maybe. Either way, it is still a really nice looking car, because of course the Z06 doesn't really need a whole lot of help to look really nice, but in this case it looks nice and it's worth a lot of money. But how much it's worth to you, I will let that up to you. Now again, guys, we are here at Corvettes at Carlisle. I figured I'd check this out for you real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get this back over to Segala, but if you're interested, 120 and it's yours. The kit, that is, not the car. All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for the content for today. The fully carbon fiber C8 Corvette Z06 over at Segala. Check it out if you guys are interested. Smash the thumbs up button if you haven't yet, or this guy, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
This carbon forged fiber looks awesome in person. So, hey, can't argue that.
Check it out, guys. We're at Carlisle. Worst case scenario, come out, check it out. If you want it, bring your checkbook, but otherwise, admire the carbon fiber on the video and subscribe if you haven't yet, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.